YouTube would go absolutely crazy if I showed you all the full capabilities of this uncensored AI image and video generator. We are talking about the most hyper-realistic AI avatars I have ever seen, completely unfiltered. If you are tired of restrictions, this tool is the ultimate generative AI solution. Today, I'm showing you how to build a custom AI companion from scratch, generate consistent text-to-video clips that look scary real, and even unlock AI roleplay scenarios that other tools block. Stop using restricted bots. Let's dive into the new features right now. Okay guys, so this is the tool that I'm going to be working on today. This tool helps you generate free uncensored AI images and videos. Yes, a free uncensored AI image generator and free uncensored AI video generator that creates ultra realistic content. Scrolling down, you can see some of the videos of this hot man that it has been able to generate. It is very, very realistic and very nice. You could also change the style to anime AI art and it gets you something very crisp. You could also change the gender. This tool is very uncensored, and with this tool, you can generate each of them to be as realistic as you wish. You could also create your own custom AI character from scratch, and that is what I'm going to do initially. I have done a video on this tool before, but today I'm going to show you some of the new features that have been added. So, these models are hot and girl. I need some. So to create your own model, click on this button over here, create. Then you could choose the gender of the AI companion that you want to create. It could be female or male. And as you can see over here, it's created in a realistic style. It gives you the anime option, but that's not what we want. Going back, so let's click on realistic, then continue. Over here, this tool gives you the freedom to choose the ethnicity or skin tone of your AI model. I'm going to go with Asian, and you could also customize yours if you wish. For the skin tone, I can make highlights. It also allows you to change their hairstyle and color. So I'm going to go with a bob and choose the color that I wish it to be, which is blue. You could also choose her eye color. I'm going to choose a color close to mine, which is brown. And for the body type I want, since we are creating this for a model, we choose the athletic build. Now over here, you can preview the AI voice of the model. Choose any one of your choice, but I'm just going to go straight and click on voice 4, then continue. Over here, we are going to name our model, and I'm going to go with Sonia. You can choose any random name, or you could use yours. Now click on continue. You could choose the age of your model, could make her very old or very young, but since we want a very hot model, we're going to go with 21. You can choose the location of your choice, so I'm going to choose Chicago, then continue. So the tool lets us preview the features that we have added to create one model. And over here, it gives you the additional feature option to give the model dimples, freckles, tattoos, or birthmarks, but I want neither of those. So you could choose the background style, skyline, a kitchen, or a bedroom. I'm going to click on bedroom, so click on create companion. The tool has started creating your companion. And one thing with this tool is that it has a high speed of image generation, which many uncensored AI tools don't have. It is done. Great Jesus. Okay guys, this was the model I was able to generate, and you can see how realistic she looks. She looks very model physicked, and I think she's going to replace Anok Yai. Don't you think so? Now, after this is done, we will use the same model to generate a video. We could choose the content type, standard or adult, but we are going to stick to standard because this is YouTube and it doesn't support uncensored sexual content, so we're going to stick to standards. Choose the duration that we want. I'm going to go with 10 seconds. Choose the resolution. I can also choose to enable the audio. Now over here, you put the video prompt that you wish, then click on generate. So guys, this is what I was able to generate, and I'm going to play it. You see how crisp it was? This was very beautiful and nice. If you ask me, this is very amazing, and you wouldn't even know this was AI generated. In this tool, there is a feature called Scenarios, which is their newest update. Here you can start AI roleplays and experiences and start chatting with real life personas in real time. So we're going to click on one of the characters to chat. So this is who I'm going to chat with, and his name is Noah, so I'm going to chat with him. Just watch. This is YouTube, so I can't say everything. So guys, you are able to observe our chats. As you can see, it is very, very realistic and he follows my text as though he was a real person. Mind you, you can chat with anybody you wish from the list over here, like Parker, Poppy, or any other model that you wish to chat with. So if you want to create your own AI persona, you come over here and click over this here. What happens here is that you create a persona of how you want your chat partner to respond to your chat. So firstly, I'm going to click on create your first persona over here. So this person, I want his name to be Andrew. I want him to be funny. And for preferences, I want him to pretend that we have known each other forever. So we're going to use these features that we have added to give our persona an image, and we're going to click on generate image. So I'm going to click on male, choose realistic, choose his age. I like him to be 25, which is mature enough. Then click on continue. Ethnicity, I want him to be Middle Eastern with a tan tone to it. My fellow girls will know what I'm talking about. Choose his hairstyle. We're going to go with a buzz cut and it's going to be white. His eye color blue and body type muscular. So I'm going to do a review just like we did before, and I'm going to click on generate. It is done generating, and I'm going to click 1 and confirm selection. And after that is done. So with that done, now anybody can use your persona to interact. So guys, I urge you to try out this generative AI tool and use it to its full potential. As you can see, this is what I am able to do with this tool. You can chat with whoever you wish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.